Hello, this is Preston Jones, and I'm doing the topic speciation. So, what is speciation? Well, speciation is when an organisms of similar species evolve into different distinguished groups. That can be two or more groups formed. Um, so basically, they just evolve differently, and they become unreproducible with each other. Some causes of speciation. The most common is geographical isolation speciation, which is when a geographical issue causes the species to evolve, such as mountains, a blocking like a river that like a log blocking a river, or water, or the structure breaks off from another like habitat. Um, the finches of that Darwin's finches were studied for speciation. Um, they are still continue to be studied this day. The grants study these finches right now, and what they've discovered is that the finches have evolved into different types of. They have the big beaks for hard seeds and like the small for getting in like flowers and cactuses. And that they've discovered that speciation occurred that they only mate with a certain one that makes a certain song or has a certain beak size. Um, they also touched on the how they are allopatric and sympatric. So the allopatric occurrences of speciation, they occur in a different place, such as like on the other side of a mountain range or other things that have separation. Sympatric is when the speciation occurs. Sympatric is when the speciation occurs in the same place, such as in Darwin's finches, because they came all to the group of Galapagos Islands, and they all evolved differently in the same group of islands. So therefore, it would be sympatric. And a real quick example of allopatric is such as like a mountain that cut off the meeting of the two species, such as just like a simple like bird or like a ground mammal that was cut off from seeing each other. So now they are geographically isolated from becoming combined species. So therefore, they create their own, like they evolve into their own. So those are two great examples of speciation, and that's really it for this topic. Thank you.